Well, I'm going to try to make this video quick. We've got in front of us here a pretty awesome flashlight. This is the Wurkkos TS23. Pretty neat features on this light other than how many lumens this thing punches out. Number one, I want to cover something before I forget. If you notice where the charging port on this flashlight is, it's on the tail cap, not up here like the rest of the lights. That way, that copper heat sink, there's nothing in the way for electronics that hinder from that drawing the heat from the LED, and everybody knows when you're pushing some high amperage through a LED, they get hot fast. So we're going to test that out. But one, that helps with the longevity of the light. You can leave it on high or turbo a lot longer. That main feature is pretty awesome. It's a single tail cap clicky. It does have outdoor mode and tactical mode, and I prefer to run outdoor mode. The main difference, tactical, that thing's on 5,000 lumens, shoot as you click it. That's one good feature. The other one is how bright this is and how long the battery lasts. On the moonlight mode, which is 10 lumens, none of this half lumen stuff or 1 lumen, it'll run for 300 hours. And it'll shine up to 22 meters away on that moonlight mode. Very usable flashlight as far as output on the low mode. That next mode up is 50 lumens, and this will literally run for 2 days continuous, and that is bright. 46 meters of throw. I got a lot of light on out here. Look at that Winchester hammered flashlight. There's only a couple in the world. 1928. Medium, you're up to 800 lumens and 185 meters of punch, and it runs for 6.5 hours. You go to high, 1800 lumens, almost 4 hours at 290 meters. You double click, you're at that 5,000 lumen range and 482 meters of throw. It says 2.5 hours, but I don't think it will. On that, it can't. It has to drop down, but maybe not. We're going to find out. Real nice clip. Wurkkos does not, so you can't take the back off. You got to take it off up here. So that, like a typical one, I suppose you could break that free. But I want to take this apart here and look. And this head is heavy, very heavy. The battery, 21,700, 5,000 lumen, or I'm sorry, 5,000 milliamps, 18 watt hours. Nice big long runtime battery. This is so beefy. It isn't a thin piece of aluminum here. It's heavy. And everything screws together just fine. There's no playing with it. Now, what it's saying here, that light, okay, it's green. If it turns yellow, it's like at 50%, and then red, of course, it's getting low. There's a lot to like about this flashlight. And one, it's running that XHP 70.3 high emitter. It's basically got two beams, a narrow 15 degree and then a 73 degree wide angle, which you'll see when we're outside shining it. And I think what we're going to do is run out and shine this thing first, and then I'm going to come in and put a thermal camera on it, and I want to see how much it heats up and how hot it gets. So let's go do that. I'm on a low mode right now, but I'm going to click it turbo right away. And I'm going to zoom in. All the way up by that woods is over 300 yards. And it picks that up fine. One good thing about this light, it doesn't wrap down very quickly. It stays on turbo. And it's got a wide beam and an intense beam. And it's very cold out, so I really have to hurry, and I apologize. But you can light a hillside up with this thing quite easily. We're going to ramp through the modes quick. That's the next mode up from low, in that bucket that's 50 yards away, and a 75-yard bucket you can see. And this mode here up to 200 yards back there. Extremely long runtime. If I kick it up one more mode, And that's just like turbo almost. And you can see how wide the beam pattern is. If I double click, that's turbo. That's back into high. Go down to that low mode, medium, medium high, high. You want to blind somebody? Turbo. That's all I can do for the shining for this. I'm not going to move it around to other areas. I could try to turn the camera down the road, and up to 500 yards away it's hitting it on the highest mode, flooding everything out in the front. I don't have the camera on auto. I want to show you what the true light output is. Just high does incredible. Again, that's the turbo mode. We got a lot of deep snow. I'm not even going to do some walking, but it is like 0 out right now. And I don't have gloves on, so I'm cooling off. But that gives you an idea. Like I said, it's a monster out there shining the light. It comes with a USB-C, nice heavy-duty cord, and a lanyard, and instructions. So we're going to get this thing set up. I'm going to plug in a thermal onto my phone, and we're going to try to cook this thing. How do we want her setting? About like that. May as well shut the main camera off, and I'll just put the video up of the thermal on there. Yeah, we're pulling about 100 degrees already. I'll speed the video up so this isn't taking so long. We're actually up to 112. It's staying. We're up to 118 degrees right now. This has been over 2 minutes. Actually 3. And it's sitting right around 125 degrees, which isn't terrible. If I move it back, I mean, the whole flashlight's getting a little bit warm. 100 degrees at the tail cap. 112 halfway up. All the way up. You're not going to want to hold your hand on it real long on the head. We're at 125. And I do believe, figured about 125 degrees. I don't know if it dimmed down, but it is warm. What I'm going to do is, I've got it on turbo right now. I'm going to flick it off and then back on, and shut the camera off and on. Or forward it to that spot, see if it notices a difference. Yeah, I do believe it dimmed down a tiny bit, but not that bad. The whole camera is, the whole flashlight is quite warm, but this pulls a lot of heat away. The whole flashlight's warm, not just the head. So it's sucking a tremendous amount of that XHP 70 emitter, sucking that heat out, bringing it down through here, where you can leave it on longer. This is a wicked flashlight. 482 meters of throw out of it. Check that link out down below for this thing. Point blank wicked. It's even got little strike bezels on there for the top part. Awesome little light. I shouldn't say little. Look at the switch in the back. I'll provide a link for it. You'll be impressed. There you go. Wurkkos TS23 OD green, 5,000 lumens.